friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I am Dr. Jayashree Ramana. I am a scientist and also a nutritionist, and in this space I talk about skincare, hair care and all other health and beauty related content like PCOS, thyroid, weight loss, acne and many other skin conditions. If you love to watch such content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also tap that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So it's been a while since I uploaded my previous video and I have been missing you all so much, and this is why I'm super excited to be making this video, because I am joining you all once again and I will have the opportunity to interact with you. Life happens to everyone and it happened to me also. I was switching jobs. I joined a new job. I'm now working as a scientist at International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology, ICGEB, New Delhi. So I was relocating from one place to another. Then I got busy in my job and I could not upload any new video. But I tried to reply to all the comments that I received even while I was not uploading any videos. And I hope you will give me enough time to reply to your comments, because you know that I am in a regular job which obviously occupies a lot of my time. Today's video is not about any health or beauty tips. Rather, I'm going to make some important announcements and my resolutions for the new year. So without further ado, let's begin this video. So my first resolution, or my first announcement for this new year, for this lovely new year, is that I plan to make more videos for you more often and on a very regular basis. I have been reading a lot of research articles and books on health, nutrition and different clinical conditions, and I want to share all of that with you. So I would like to make more videos, and this time I'm definitely going to be more regular, because now I'm settled in my new place and I hope I'll get enough time to continue interacting with you all, because I do this out of my passion and not out of any compulsion. So please let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make, and I'll be glad to make any videos that you are particularly interested in. My core areas are thyroid, PCOS, food allergies or sensitivities. It could even be about any emotional health, because I know that it's very important to handle stress these days, and each one of us has his own ways to handle that stress, because that plays a huge part in our lives. It affects our relationships, it affects our health, it affects almost every aspect of our lives. So if you want me to make a video on emotional or mental health, I would do that too. Secondly, I have planned to start a contest where the lucky winner would get to have a personal consultation with me. Last year I did a lot of consultations for different conditions like acne, PCOS and thyroid, and I have been seeing wonderful results in my clients, and this is why I'm so hopeful about it. I want to do more of such personal consultations, and I'm going to do that free of cost for one lucky winner every month who wins this contest. So now coming to how you can participate in this contest. So in order to participate in this contest, you have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, and whenever I upload a video on YouTube, you have to comment below that. That comment should start with hashtag Dr. Jayashree Ramana, the way it is displayed on the screen right now. After that, you follow with the comment whatever you want to say about the content of the video. It cannot be just a random comment. It has to be related to the content of the video. It could be any relevant question or query about whatever I discuss in that video. And out of all the comments that I receive on my videos in a particular month, I will select one lucky winner who will get to have a personal consultation with me. This consultation could be about any condition. It could be acne, PCOS, thyroid, weight loss or any other hormonal condition that you are struggling with. And this consultation will be in English or Hindi depending upon whatever you are comfortable with, because I receive so many requests saying make videos in Hindi. So if you are comfortable with that, we can have the consultation in Hindi as well. That's not a problem. And if you do not win this contest and you still want to have a consultation with me, you don't have to worry, because we are going to repeat it every month. Maybe I get more time in the future and then I'll be selecting even more, like 2 or 3 lucky winners per month. But even if you do not win in these contests, you still don't have to worry, because I'll be also starting my live sessions very soon, where all of you can put up your questions regarding any of the health conditions that you are having, and you can directly have a chat with me, which we will do live. So with that said, I want to move to my next resolution. So my next resolution is to read at least 5 books this year on nutrition and meditation. I know 5 is a tiny number, and many of you might be reading much more than this because there are so many voracious readers. But I have set a target of 5 because I'm in a regular job and I absolutely freakingly love my job, and this is why I took it up. I have immense interest in research, especially in healthcare where I'm involved. So I want to do justice to my professional commitments, and therefore I have set a target of 5, and in case I can manage more, obviously I'll be reading more of such books. As you know, the core themes of my life that I enjoy the most are nourishment for the body, because health is wealth, and also nourishment for the mind and the soul, because you need a balance, you need peace of mind along with all the material abundance that we have in our life. So I want to share my passion with you all. This is what I have been doing through YouTube so far. I want to take that another step forward this year, and I want to tell you all, let us all make health a priority. You don't have to worry where you are in your journey right now. It may be that you are struggling with some chronic condition. Especially with acne, I have seen that we all become very desperate, we all become very frustrated because it keeps coming again and again, and we tend to lose heart. And that happens with any chronic condition for that matter. But I want to tell you one thing, that nature never fails. So let us keep our hopes alive. So let's make health a priority. Let's manifest abundance in each and every aspect of our lives. I will also like to know what all books you are reading or any suggestions that you have for me. I would also like to know any resolutions that you might have taken in the new year. And I look forward to see you in my personal consultations as well as my live sessions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.